greatest thing is that life. See? It's life. Life I deal with. If the preacher read the Bible and tell you that you have to die to go to heaven, then he's not reading the Bible. Because the Bible tell you you have to live in a heaven. You don't die and go to heaven, you have to live.
Every fruit tree cannot bear in the same season, or else every fruit go out of season in the same time. So when you see a man arise, don't bad mind them, because fear season is coming up.
Oh my god, welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Series with Team Chef like J.A. Oh my god, yeah, same most of their water edge right now and they're currently doing a wedding reception, alright? One Team Chef like, yeah, we got the whole team. One team, one dream, yeah, I really like, oh my god.
And in token of the vows between us made with this ring, I thee wed. Jesus' name.
Guess what? Whom God hath joined together. You think it was going to take long? Let no man put asunder. As a marriage officer for the island of Jamaica, I, Richard Douglas Dawes, now pronounce that you're a man and a wife. And what do you want to know, sir? At which part you reach now? Yes, you may know. Yeah, man, make some noise, man. You know, I usually say, some other couple stop already.
And for Richard, his siblings, and he does. And right now, I pledge you.
Alright? I'd like to make some money. Alright, everybody. Father, we thank you for these rings. Rings are a symbol of but as they exchange and wear them, cause them to do so with the kind of pride and dignity that should be according to such emblems.